students. When preparing for IELTS speaking test, a candidate goes through a lot of myths and misconceptions that actually affects the approach and the performance at the time of examination. Understanding the difference between these myths and misconceptions can actually play a vital role in improving the desired band score and the mistakes that a candidate is usually encountering. I'm here with some myths versus fact to dispel them. Myth number 1. You need to have a perfect grammar to score well. One prevalent myth is that grammar is really very important to score well in your IELTS examination. But it is not the sole determinant of your score. Now, apart from grammar, there are a lot more factors affecting your band score. For example, fluency, coherence, vocabulary, and the clarity of presentation. Grammatical inaccuracies or minor grammatical inaccuracies can be ignored as soon as they are not impeding the understanding of the context. Though grammar is very important, but it is more important to focus on the clarity of idea and presentation of thoughts. Now let's talk about the fact based on this. Fluency and coherence matters more than the grammar. No doubt it is really very important to take grammar into consideration at the time of your speaking test, but yes, there are other factors also that are majorly impacting your band score. For example, your fluency and your sequencing of the ideas and experiences and opinion at the same time. Make sure the candidates are evaluated and assessed based on how they are having the transition in the ideas and using the wide range of vocabulary at the same time and presenting the ideas carefully and clearly. There are going to be some grammatical inaccuracies that cannot put a major impact. The only thing that matters at the end of the day is the clarity on idea and responses. Now let's talk about myth number 2. Speaking quickly will actually impress the examiner. Another misconception that has been widely seen is the candidates believe that speaking quickly and rapidly actually impresses the examiner, making it possible to increase the band score. Now, it's really very important to focus that speaking rapidly will not only impede the understanding, but it will also lack clear pronunciation, which will eventually make the examiner difficult to understand. Now, let's talk about fact based on this. Speaking clearly and naturally is the key. Now, no doubt it is really very important to take fluency into consideration, but at the same time, speaking at a natural pace and a comfort pace is actually the key to improve your band score. Speaking rapidly will not be that helpful as it is going to impede the understanding, but at the same time, speaking at own comfort will help to come up with an effective response, and it will also help in articulation of the thoughts and experience clearly so that it becomes very easy to understand for the examiner. Let's talk about myth number 3. Memorizing responses will actually help you score higher. Now, this is another very common misconception among the candidates that memorizing answer is something that will help you in order to improve your band score. While some memorized answer can actually help you in preparing for the answers, but solely relying to the memorized responses can actually be detrimental, which can eventually lead to the degradation of the band score. Let's talk about fact based on this. Authenticity and spontaneity are valued. Examiners are looking for genuine responses and natural conversation that demonstrate your ability of thinking and engaging into a meaningful conversation, which is more important than reciting pre-prepared answers. Make sure you prepare on various topics for better preparation of the test so that you can get engaged in a meaningful conversation and come up with your own and clear responses. Let's talk about myth number 4. Accent affect your score significantly. It is another common misconception that accent plays a very vital role and can negatively impact your IELTS band score. No doubt, accent can influence the pronunciation, but it is not the primary objective of your IELTS score. The key is to ensure the clear pronunciation and the effective delivery of the response at the time of providing the responses. Let's talk about fact based on this. Intelligibility is more important than accent. IELTS speaking test is very focused on understanding how clearly you are at presenting your responses. Focus more on being understood rather than talking and having a conversation in a particular accent. Examiners are well trained to understand the wide range of accent, but they focus more on how well a person is in communicating the ideas and opinions as well as experiences. Let's talk about myth number 5. You should avoid using complex vocabulary. Now, at the time of your IELTS examination, there are a lot of candidates who believe that using complex vocabulary will actually improve the chances of their band score getting increased. But it is really very important to use a wide variety of vocabulary rather than just using a sophisticated word which is not actually matching to the meaning of the statement. Let's talk about fact regarding this. Appropriate vocabulary is more important than the complexity. IELTS speaking test is there to evaluate your word choice and how effectively you use wide range of vocabulary and not using the complex vocabulary just for the sake of it. Sophisticating the vocabulary with respect to the context of the statement might work, but you need to be very clear on what is the word choice you are providing at the time of giving the responses. The proper word choice will determine whether it is actually fitting into the context or not. Using the words wisely is actually the key to use a proper vocabulary and to come up with an effective response. Let's talk about myth number 6. You should avoid speaking about your personal opinion. There are a lot of candidates who believe that coming up with a personal response or personal opinion will degrade the band score. This is the reason they end up giving a neutral or a general answer. Let's talk about fact based on this. Sharing personal opinion can actually improve your responses. In IELTS speaking, the entire assessment is based on how effective you can communicate and how effective you can engage yourself in a meaningful communication. So sharing a personal opinion or a personal experience will actually enhance the interaction at the time of your response. The examiner has nothing to do with the content, remember that. It's always how you are presenting your responses and effectively communicating your personal opinion and ideas so that your fluency and coherence can be assessed and provided with a perfect band score.